how to clear all app data and cache on Android. This tutorial shows you how to free up storage space and improve performance by clearing app cache and data. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main settings menu with various options. Following that, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all installed applications. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Moving forward, tap on the app whose cache and data you want to clear. Afterwards, tap on Storage to access the storage settings for that app. In addition to that, you'll see options for Clear Cache and Clear Data. Once you're on this page, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Subsequently, the cache will be cleared instantly, freeing up some storage space. Moreover, if you want to clear all app data at once, tap on Clear Data or Clear Storage. Afterwards, a warning message will appear explaining that all app data will be deleted. Then tap on OK or Delete to confirm and clear all the app's data. Within this section, the app will reset to its original state as if newly installed. Alternatively, if you want to clear cache for all apps at once, go back to Settings. Once you're back in Settings, tap on Device Care or Battery and Device Care. Then tap on Storage to see your device's storage usage. Afterwards, tap on Clean Now or Optimize Now to clear cache for all apps automatically. Then your device will scan and remove unnecessary cached files to free up space. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you clear app data and cache on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.